That brings us to our second bar chord shape. Now at this stage you'll notice it's going to be the same steps I'm going to bring us through, so I'm going to go a little bit quicker. It's all the same principles though. You're going to get an A minor chord. Now swap in those fingers. Then slide it up 2 frets this time. 1, 2. And check, are those coming out? Thumb is dropped. Finally then, you're going to get your index, and the index goes across the A string downwards this time. We don't place our index on the E string at all. So watch out for that. That's a common beginner habit. It only has to be across 5. So we go from here. And that's a B minor bar chord. This is a video I would suggest that you re-watch again just to pick up on a few pointers and get the position before moving into the next lesson. So to recap, we had our G major bar chord, and that's how it looks in a diagram. We have our index across, and we've ring finger, pinky, and middle. And then we had our B minor bar chord, and that's how that looked. And again, no worries about getting it like so clear right now. The only action items for this lesson are to memorize both of those shapes by getting them in their exact locations. What I mean by that is aim to place them on like this. Aim to put the fingers up here and the index there. And aim to get this on this way. And you can do like index first and then the others, or the group of fingers first and then your index. Just watch out that you don't, the steps we did to get there, you don't do all those steps all the time. They're just to show you where it's positioned and then put in the practice to locate it all by itself. So I hope you're getting an insight into bar chords with this first lesson. Whenever you're ready, just click continue and I'll see you in the next lesson where we're going to look at how to make your chords sound clearer and the common best practices on how to build up hand strength and finger independence for your bar chords. See you in the next lesson.